Introducing the 2025 Cupra Leon 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower DSG. This sleek estate in blue is loaded with top-notch features like air conditioning, Bluetooth and collision avoidance braking. You'll feel pampered with ambient lighting, luxury trim and wireless charging. Plus, stay safe with multiple airbags, lane departure warning and emergency call. With a power boot close, privacy glass and safety features galore, this car has it all. And don't forget about the energy recuperation and stop and start system for a greener drive. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer specified service and comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today to make this remarkable vehicle yours.